Stop for a moment. Do not skip this video. This story is for you. If you want to improve your English and your life, subscribe to Ja Info Urdu, where learning English meets real motivation. This topic matters because many beginners feel weak. You try to listen, you try to understand, but you feel slow and tired, and slowly you start to think, maybe English is not for me. Maybe I should stop. Let me tell you a real lifestyle story, simple, honest, and close to the heart. There was a beginner learning English. Every listening video felt difficult. Words passed like fast wind. Others understood quickly. He did not. This made him feel small. Many nights he wanted to quit. He said, "I am trying, but nothing is changing." One day, he made a small promise. "I will not quit today." He listened again, slowly, carefully. He did not understand everything. But he understood one sentence. Then, two. Days passed. Weeks passed. Something changed inside him. His ears became sharper. His fear became quieter. His confidence slowly grew. He was still a beginner, but he was moving forward. Here is the lesson you must learn. Learning is not fast. Growth is not loud. First, accept that confusion is normal. Every beginner feels lost. Second, practice every day. Even 5 minutes is powerful. Third, never stop. Stopping kills progress. Now your mindset must change. Believe that you can improve. Even when you feel slow, take action daily. Listening is action. Repeating is action. Stay disciplined. Motivation will leave you. Discipline will stay with you. Let me ask you something. Why do you give up so quickly? Why do you doubt yourself? Why do you compare your start with someone else's middle? You are not weak. You are learning. Right now, you may feel tired, but your effort is working. Even if you cannot see it, stay with the process. Stay with your dream. Stay with yourself. Subscribe to Ja Info Urdu for more English listening stories made for beginners like you. Never give up, because one day you will understand more than you believe. And remember this forever. If you keep going, you will win.